Okay, in order to render this, let's go into output. We're going to turn this into OpenEXR under output. We're going to turn it to RGB value only. Don't need the alpha. And the rest looks good. Alright, so to render this, first let's look at a preview of it. Let's go to viewport shading. Kind of looks like this. And let's go into render and then render image. You're going to get something that looks like this. Alright, so image, save as, and save this somewhere that we can remember where it's at. If you need to get out, hit escape. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to use that as a brush.